Expansion of algebraic expressions. Removing brackets with positive multipliers. Examples. Remove bracket from this expression. Solution. We have 3 into bracket x plus y. Now, this 3 is called the what? The multiplier, and is a positive multiplier. Positive multiplier. And why is it a positive multiplier? Because it's a positive number. So this number will multiply each term inside the bracket. This multiplier now will first multiply x. So we are going to have 3 times x. Then plus, this same multiplier will multiply plus y. Then we have 3 times y. Now what are we going to have? 3 times x, that's 3x. Then plus 3 times y, we have what? 3y. So the answer is now 3x plus 3y. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.